Hello, I'm Carl from Arduino, and today I'm going to show you how to track your device history in the Arduino Cloud. First, we want to head over to app.arduino.cc and go to the Devices page. Search for your device and click into it. In this new page, on the right-hand side, you can see a real-time chart of your device's status. For demonstration purposes, I disconnected the device a minute earlier. As you can see, the gray graph shows that the device was offline for a period of time. The green graph demonstrates the online status of your device. This can be useful as you can see the time the device was offline and troubleshoot a more specific time period when your device encountered issues, such as a loss of power. This feature will help you track the up and downtime of your device and notice if your device has been disconnected at some point in history. I hope you enjoyed this short video on device history in the Arduino Cloud, and I'll see you next time.